Welcome guys. We are here in HTML-CSS crash course for beginners. Our focus will be on HTML5 and CSS from beginning to advanced level. Before we start, this course is for beginners and we will focus on HTML5. We will focus on CSS and CSS3, and during this course you will see the slides and practical examples. The one thing which is required from you, be patient to learn the HTML5 and CSS3. What we need to start this course? We need some text editor like that, the Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Notepad, Text Editor, Text Wrangler, Atom, and there are a lot of text editor. Even you can use Notepad++, Notepad, and TXT edit from Mac as well. So which is the best fit for you? You can use the text editor for writing the HTML and CSS code. Another thing which you require, that is the browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, Internet Explorer, but I will not recommend you to use the Internet Explorer because it has lot of loopholes. Let's move forward. What is HTML? It is a standard language to create the web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What does that mean, the Hypertext Markup Language? It means that it will be the front-end hypertext language. For back-end and server-side code, you cannot use the HTML language. So you will learn further that how you can use the HTML as a front end to create the web pages. HTML describes the structure of the web pages. Web pages are those pages which you see on the browsers, on the mobile and the web, Internet Explorer or the Chrome or Firefox when you write the website name. HTML elements are building blocks for HTML pages. HTML is the combination of tags, and HTML tags build the pieces of HTML pages. Browsers don't display the tags but renders those tags and display the output. This is the code sample for HTML. If you see here, these are the some specific elements and the tags for the HTML page. If you see here, doc type HTML, this is the HTML head, title, head closing, body, and then body closing, H1P, and the HTML closing. If you see here, whenever the one tag is starting, it is, when it is closing, then it symbol is like this. So I will show you the practical code before winding up this lecture, and let's move and see what are the meanings for these tags and elements. Doc type HTML, this is declaration, means this declaration means this document to be HTML5. HTML element is the root element of the HTML page. Whatever the HTML page, its root element will be the HTML. Head is the element contains the meta information about the document. Title element specifies a title for the document. Body element contains the visible page content. H1 element defines a large heading. P element defines a paragraph. So this is the code sample representation. So let's uh, move to the practical. I'm using the Visual Studio code editor, and this is the our first chapter, first lesson. So if you see here, the same code is here: HTML, head, title, head, body, and then first heading, and the first paragraph, body, closing, and HTML closing. When we run this code, then if you see here, this is the running and the title of the page title appearing here. First heading look like this, and first paragraph look like this. We can modify here. Welcome to HTML CSS crash course. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. Now I am saving, and we can reload it. Then it will be the welcome to HTML CSS crash course. Title is changed to this. This is the heading changed to this, and this way. So our lecture and our concept is to be continued. So that's it for current lecture. I'll be back with the next lecture and we move forward. Thank you.